Your Lincoln allows you to open and close your liftgate without using your hands or pressing any buttons. Let me explain. To open your liftgate, simply kick your leg forward and back under the center of the rear bumper below the license plate. Then step back to give the gate space to open. To close it, you can kick your leg under the bumper again, or simply push the liftgate open-close button. If you don't want to use the hands-free capability, you can always use the liftgate button on your key fob, the button to the left of the steering wheel, or the button located just above the license plate to close the liftgate. Keep in mind, if your vehicle is equipped with an available trailer tow package, to open or close your liftgate, just kick under the bumper in the empty space to the left or right of the tow hitch.
We hope we've answered your questions. For more information, please visit owner.lincoln.com.